Good morning, 7th graders. My name is Miss Ayat Rabaiah. I'm your math teacher. Today I'll give you 3.1, the first lesson in the third unit, which is about this unit, talking about place, value, ordering, and rounding. So here the first lesson is multiplying and dividing by 0.1 and 0.01, 1/10 and 1/100. Look, the numbers 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 can all be written as powers of 10. The power of tens written as an index. I'll give you an example later. This is the number of tens that you multiply together to get the number. It is also the same as the number of zeros that follow the digit 1. To explain these things, look at this pattern of numbers. Here we have 10. 10, it means 10 to the power of 1. So here 10 is to the power of 1. Sorry, this is 1. Again, 10, it means 10 to the power of 1, or simply 10. 100 equals 10 times 10 equals 10 squared. Why? Because here we have two tens, 1 and 2. 10 times 10, it means 10 squared, it means 10 squared, or 10 to the power of 2. 10 to the power of 2, or 10 squared. Another example, 1,000, it means it's the same as 10 times 10 times 10 equals 10 to the power of 3, or 10 cubed, or 10 cubed. Why cubed? Because here we have 1, 2, 3, 3 tens, 10 cubed. 10,000, 10 times 10 times 10 times 4 times, so here 10 to the power of 4. This equals 10 to the power of 4. Like that, 10 to the power of 5, it means 100,000. Now, this pattern carries on as the numbers get bigger and bigger. Now, example, here, write 10 to the power of 6 in numbers words. Look, in numbers, 10 to the power of 6 equals, multiply 10 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which you write as a 1 followed by 6 zeros equals 1, 6 zeros, 1 million. Again, which you write as 1 followed by 6 zeros. So here 10 to the power of 6, it means 6 zeros. 10 to the power of 7, 7 zeros. 10 to the power of 8, 8 zeros. Like that. Now words. Here words means 1 million. This is the answer in words. Now, let's go to explain another idea. Here, example 2, write the number 100,000 as a power of 10. Here 5 zeros, 10 to the power of 5. 6 zeros, 10 to the power of 6. 7 zeros, 10 to the power of 7. So here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 to the power of 5. So here, there are 5 zeros after the 1 in the 100,000. So here 100,000 equals 10 to the power 5. Now, very important, look, 0.1, it's a decimal, right? It means 1 out of 10. 0.01, 100, it means 1 out of 100. Here after the decimal point, this is the decimal point, 1, 2 places, so here 2 zeros. Also 0.001, it means 1 out of 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. Now, this is a rule, very important rule. Multiplying a number by 0.1 has the same effect as dividing the number by 10. Example, 8 times 0.1. Look, again, 8, still 8. Multiplication sign, multiplication sign. 0.1, it means 1 out of 10 from here. 0.1, 1/10, 1/10, 1 out of 10. Look, multiplying a number by 0.1 has the same effect as dividing the number by 10. So here we have 8 divided by 10, it means 0.8. 8 divided by 10. 8 divided by 10, it means this is 0.08 point at the 0.8 times 10, 80. Or just 8 out of 10. This is 8 out of 10. It means 0.8, a decimal. 8 tenths. Right? Now, the same rule, but by using not 1/10, 100th. Multiplying a number by 0.01 has the same effect as dividing by the number by 100. Here, example 8, this is example, and this is also a rule. 8 times 0.01, it means 8 times, this is 0.01, 100, it means 1 out of 100. 0.01, it means 1 out of 100. Look here, multiplying a number by 0.01 has the same effect as dividing the number by 100. This is 8 divided by 100 means 8 out of 100, which means 0.08. This is for multiplying. This is for multiplying. Now, let's talk about dividing. Dividing a number by 0.1 has the same effect as multiplying the number by 10. Look here, multiplying by 0.1, here multiplying a number by 0.01, here dividing a number by 0.1. Example 8 divided by 0.1, it means 8 divided by 1 out of 10, this is 1 out of 10, has the same effect as multiplying the number by 10. 8 divided by 1 out of 10, it means 8 times 10, which is 80. Now, dividing a number by 0.01 has the same effect as multiplying the number by 100. Example, 8 divided by 0.01, 8 divided by 1 out of 100, this is 1 out of 100 equals, has the same effect as multiplying the number by 100, which means 8 800. Now, example, work out the answer to each of these. The first one, 32 times 0.1. Here, again, multiplying by 0.1 is the same as dividing by 10, equals 32 divided by 10. 32 divided by 10, it means 3.2. Here we have dividing, move from right to left, 1 to 1, just 1, 1, 0, 1. Put the point here, that's why 3.2. The second one, 4.2 times 0.01. This is 1. This is 1. Again, multiplying by 0.01 is the same as dividing by 100. So here we have 4.2 multiplying by 0.01 is the same as dividing by 100. 1, 2, move from right to left, 2 places. So here 1, 2. In the empty blank, write 0. So here 0.042. This is for multiplying by 0.1, multiplying by 0.01. Now for dividing. Now the third one, 6 divided by 0.1. Look, dividing by 0.1 is the same as multiplying by 10. 6 times 10, which is 60. Here, dividing by 0.01 is the same as multiplying by 100. So here 4.156 times 100. Times 100, it means move from left to right 2 places because 2 zeros, 1 and 2. So the answer 415.6. So here in this lesson we learned multiplying a number by 0.1, multiplying a number by 0.01, dividing a number by 0.1, dividing a number by 0.01. You have a homework, question 1 to question 8 from your workbook, page 17. Thank you for listening and have a good day.